Welcome to ElectroFox. This is the video demonstration of GSM Code Blue system. This is the receiving unit. These are remotes and it's a USB power operated system. We need a micro SIM card here. The SIM card will be inserted inside the receiver unit like this. The metal plate should be on the top and the cutted edge should be on the bottom side. Okay, SIM card is correctly inserted. Now let me power on the receiver. This will take up to 30 seconds to boot up properly. Now let me insert this is a 23A battery, 12 volt status. Now the system is searching for network. Okay, if the green light is continuously on, it means the network is available. If it is blinking, it is searching for network. And now I'll show you how to add any mobile number to the GSM Code Blue system. I will send a SMS to the SIM card which is inserted inside this unit. This is the number which is inside this unit. So I'm sending a text message saying add my number. Add my number. Now this number is been added in the Code Blue system. If someone presses the remote, we will get the respective message. Now and a missed call. This is a different message from a different remote. Now we can send emergency message by pressing this button as well. We'll get a emergency message. Button was pressed, panic situation, and we get a missed call as well. And how to remove the number. This number has been removed now. And we can press this to reset. Thank you.